We have been covering low-cost influencer marketing strategies for you and your business. If you missed any of our other videos, I highly recommend checking those out and then coming back to this one. Today, we are going to take a look at measuring your ROI. Everybody loves ROI, and you need to know what's working, what's not working, and what to tweak. So let's dive in. Today, we are going to take a look at our clients, referral partners, and influencers outside of network. So let's take a look at the clients and referral partners. Measuring the ROI from marketing efforts with your past and current clients and referral partners can look like increased social media engagement and visibility on content you do in collaboration with your client. For example, they do a video testimonial for you, you post, tag them, or make them a collaborator of the content. They share with their following, and voila, your social media metrics and numbers will show you the value of that post. You can also ask people how they heard about you. This is key in determining your ROI on any of your marketing efforts, so make this a common practice. How many people per year are referred to you from your friends, family, real estate agents, partners, and past and current clients? You should know this number, and when you know it, you can better understand your ROI of your marketing efforts focused on this group. For influencers outside of your network, social media metrics tied to posts done in collaboration with influencers is a great way to access ROI. If they're promoting content on their website for you, guest blogs, videos, podcasts, etc., Google Analytics will tell you exactly how much traffic you're getting from their referring site. If they're promoting your content via email, your website analytics will also tell the story of how many people that is pushing to your website. If you're using QR codes with your influencers, guess what? There are analytics that track those results too. Today, there are analytics tied to absolutely every piece of marketing you create. Use them to assess your ROI and ensure you are getting the most out of your influencer marketing strategy. Cultivating genuine connections with your referral partners, clients, influencers is essential in today's marketing world. So, highly encourage you to try these low to no cost marketing strategies for you and your business. Let us know what works. Let us know if you have questions. And as always, hope you subscribe. Stay tuned for next week.